Okay, this is called the die and the prediction trick. You might see it as the die that ends up to 7, but call it something like the die and prediction trick. The first thing you're going to do is tell the kids, you're going to go up to them and you're going to say to the kids, everyone say prediction. They're going to say prediction. You say a prediction is when you know something's going to happen before it happens. So explain to them what a prediction is. You then show them a card, say to them you have a bunch of numbers on the card. You're going to put the card on the floor and you're going to say, I'm going to put my penny on my prediction. So you say, I'm going to put my penny on my prediction. You can even tell them, I'm going to predict 7. Then you say, I'm going to take the die, I'm going to roll it. I'm going to add the number on the top and bottom. I'm going to add the number on the top and bottom. Let's see if it equals my prediction. So you show the kids, you roll it. You then say the number on top is 1. Turn it over and say the number on the bottom is 6. You say 6 plus 1 equals 7. And then you say, look what I predicted. You move the penny and you say, I predicted 7. Okay, and then you tell the kids you want to learn how that's done. They'll say, yep. You explain they always pick the number 7. Explain to the kids the opposite side of die always equals 7. So you show them. You say, if I roll a 6, 1's on the other side. Ask them, what's 6 plus 1? They'll say 7. Show them a 5. Say, what's on the other side? Show them a 2. Say, what's 5 plus 2? They'll say 7. Do it one more time. Say, if I roll a 3 on the top, the other side is a 4. Say, what's 3 plus 4? They'll say 7. Okay, and you say, see, it always equals 7. So then you ask the kids, what number do I always put it on? Hopefully they'll say 7. If they don't, you say 7 to them. Okay, so that's how you do it. When you're ready for the kids to actually practice it, here's what you do. Give them all the pieces, tell them to put it on the floor. Okay, tell them then to pick up the card. They then say, go over once again, prediction. They would say to their mom and dad, I'm going to do a prediction trick. So you tell them to say out loud, I'm going to do a prediction trick. They'll say that. Then you tell them to give the card to mom and dad. They're going to give it to mom and dad and tell them to tell their mom and dad to read it so mom and dad know what to expect. This helps a lot because little kids have a hard time explaining this trick. So at least when they give it to mom and dad know what to do. So tell the kids, pretend to give it to mom and dad if they're not here. They do that. They then take it back. The kids put it on the floor. Then you say to the kids, what number do I put the penny on? Hopefully they'll all say 7, so you put it on 7. Then tell the kids to pick up the die, tell them to roll the die. So first you tell them what's going to happen. You tell the kids to say, I'm going to put my penny on my prediction, and then I'm going to roll my die. The kids all say that, hopefully. And then you tell the kids to say, I'm going to add the number on top and bottom. So they all say that. Then you tell the kids to roll the die. Okay, this is the important part. Kids always just say 6, 1. You don't want that. You want them to explain it. You tell them to say the words. Say the words, the number on top. So then they'll say the number on top is whatever they rolled. So they'll say whatever theirs is 6. Then tell them to pick it up, turn it over, tell the kids to say the words. The number on the bottom, they'll say the number on the bottom, and then is, and then they say their number, is 1. Then tell the kids to say 6 plus 1, or whatever their numbers are, equals 7. Tell them to say, look, I predicted 7, and you move the penny, and you show them you predicted the number 7. Okay, that's kind of how this trick is done in a nutshell. If you have older kids, you can actually tell them they can use the back. The number 14 is what they're going to put their penny on. You tell them to either take 2 dice, roll both of them, and add the numbers on top and bottom, because 7 on one, 7 on the other, that equals 14. Or they're only going to have 1 die for our class, so you just tell them to roll it twice and add the numbers on the top and bottom. And that's how you do this card.